Let's make simple and easy breakfast recipe. So what I'm doing here, I rinse all of my herbs. I'm going to add in onion and colorful bell peppers, tomato. So I'm just dicing the herbs. I just add in about a tablespoon of oil, and I put in few strips of bacon in my pan. You could also use sausage or any meat of your choice to make your delicious omelette. So I just add in my herbs and let it saute for a few minutes. So I crack my 2 eggs, and I also take the eyes out of the egg, and I add in my black pepper and my salt. So I just flip in my bacon and let the other side fry. So I just pour in my egg and my nice sauté vegetables. So you want to put your bacons and a paper towel. So my tortillas, I just put it in the frying pan to heat up a bit. You could also use your bread, bagel. Guys, I did want to slice up some scotch bonnet pepper in my egg. But you know when you're not cooking for yourself alone, so I will use my hot sauce. So I just breaking up my bacons. So I'm just going to flip the egg over, and I'm sprinkle the bacon bits all over my eggs, and then I'm going to sprinkle with my cheddar cheese. You could use any cheese of your choice. You could also use finely chopped cooked ham, and you could also use egg whites. All right, put your eggs on the tortilla and roll up tightly. You could serve with your fruits or yogurt. I serve mine with yogurt this morning. All right, have a blessed day. One love. God bless. Bye.